Welcome to the second video of Tesseract's Form Builder module. In this video, you'll see how the data that's been filled in the investor onboarding form workflow is now populated to Tesseract. Let me give you a quick orientation to what you're seeing on the screen today. This is the investor onboarding page where the full list of all forms that have been submitted previously are being recorded. Now you could click on the search function here to be able to search for a particular name or particular type of form that's been submitted, or you could just scroll and choose the forms that you want to be looking at. The example we used earlier was Mr. Sam Lee, so let's use this again. When you click on Mr. Sam Lee, you'll realize that all the fields that you've populated previously is now recorded and stored on Tesseract. You could come in here and make updates. For an example, if Mr. Sammy Lee changed his residential address to 1 Sentosa Cove, or if he has a change in ID, you could just clear the image, upload another image that's more accurate. And if everything is correct, all you need to do is just click save. This is especially useful if you need to do updates on an annual basis. Of course, what can happen next is you would want to prepare a document, or rather generate a certain set of documents to go and send these documents out for signing again. You could just click on the print button here, choose a report template for an existing document, for an example, declaration of source. Now, once the preview has been loaded, you will notice that the information filled in the previous page is now populated in this document template. Sammy Lee, his NRIC number, his company, as well as his position. If all the information is correct, you can do a few things. Number one, you can download this document in PDF or docx into your local computer. Or you could actually be creating these documents onto Tesseract's document management solution. Now, what you can do here is to make further edits on the system itself, or you could even prepare a document to be sent for signing digitally again. So to summarize the video, there are two things that we've seen. The first thing is we've seen how data populated into a form resides and is stored on Tesseract. Second thing, you've seen how you could make edits to this form such that you can go and send it out for signing again, or whichever is necessary as part of your workflow. Thank you.